YouTube. What's going on? Sean here, Gamer Mize, and today got another Death to Fly, man. Video is titled "When Getting a New Chew Toy Takes a Weird Turn." Like always, Death to Fly can make any normal situation and you can think of into a weird turn. Thank you, Des. Thank you, man. All right, click play, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so his dog's just trying to play with his new chew toy with his owner. All right. How can this take a weird turn? We'll find out. Well, he bothering your sleeping time?
Yo, Rocky, what the hell is you doing? Get the out of my room. Oh, you think I'm playing, bro? Play with me. And stay the hell out. Oh,
Rocky was just trying to play.
get no sleep.
A few moments later.
Dang. What do you got downloaded on that VR? I'm still curious, Des. I'm still curious. I never stop being curious. Here go the dog. Yeah, it's Rocky. What are you playing? I'm so happy that dog stopped you from doing whatever you doing. That game ain't it. That man playing the bootleg job simulator.
Bro, what the is... Yo,
Yeah.
Rocky, what the hell are you doing in here? Didn't I tell you to get the out of my room? Go! Go! Hey, boy, the is you doing in here all that damn cursing? I'm sorry, Mom, but Rocky keeps squeaking that damn toy, and I'm trying to play the game.
Well, I'm gonna play that ass if you keep cursing like you grown. Now, come on, Rocky, go. Get out.
Wait, what the hell are you even doing?
Please question
I
him.
was just playing the game with my friends, and
You know what? I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know. And clean this damn room up.
Dang.
Look like a hot ass mess in here.
Room dirty.
A few
You dirty.
moments later.
The you mean you're not gonna delete them? We had an agreement. What?
What?
Your friend? What? You know what? You.
Dang.
You. I'm done, bro.
Who would you talking to?
Hey, bro.
Dang. Here go Rocky. Rocky, you gonna mess around and get killed, gang. You gotta run. That wasn't a weird turn. That was a sinister turn. Killed that dog. I tried to warn you, Rocky. I really did. I'm gonna catch you on next one.